Hi, I'm Astrid. I'm out and about on a sunny day here in England, and we've had so much rain lately every single day, and it's just so nice to be out with a little bit of sun. Everything is green, of course, so it was a great opportunity to just come out and do a little video for today. So in today's video, I want to show you a very simple Jin Shin Jyutsu self-help hold to help with sprained ankle. But before I show you the hold, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment below, and share this video with someone who you think might need it. Now, we have 26 energy sites on the body, and they all have a meaning, a function, and a specific location. So there's 26 on the left side and 26 on the right side. And there is one very helpful safety energy lock, we call them safety energy locks in Jin Shin Jyutsu, that can really help with sprained ankle. But you have to go to the opposite safety energy lock from the ankle that you sprained. So if you sprain your right ankle, you hold the left side. If you sprain your left ankle, you hold the right side. And I'm talking about safety energy lock 17, which we find on the outside of the wrist. So just slide down the outside of your hand, okay, little finger side, come down and find the little dent between the two bones. And that is safety energy lock 17. So what we can do is we can just wrap the right hand over the left wrist. That's what I like to do. And you cover the whole safety energy lock, because safety energy locks are not points, they are spheres, so about 3 inches in diameter. So you really get a nice lot of benefit from placing your right hand over the left wrist. So we can do that if we sprain or have a problem with the right ankle. And this is especially nice to know because sometimes it's a little bit difficult to get to the ankles, to get to the feet, especially if you're out and about and you've had a fall or you've tripped and you've sprained your ankle. I know from experience that it is incredibly painful, and it can be a long recovery period. So if you can remember to place your right hand over your left wrist for the right ankle and your left hand over the right wrist for your left ankle, then that will help speed up the recovery process. So it's as simple as that. And what you could also do is, while you've got your right hand over the left wrist, you can place your left fingers on the base of the thumb. So it's not a fist, it's just folding the left fingers onto the left base of thumb. And that is safety energy lock 18. 18 is really, really useful for clearing the head. It just works together with safety energy lock 17 very nicely. And of course, because it's right there, it can also help safety energy lock 17 to help you as well. Just a really nice hold to do immediately as soon as anything like that happens. And even if you had a fall and you sprained your ankle a long time ago, it doesn't matter. This can help clear that old injury as well. Just keep doing it a lot. You can do this hold while you're watching television. It's a question of doing it consistently, practicing this hold consistently. You can do other sequences that I've got on my YouTube channel, like the one for leg circulation, that would also help. But this one is the most comfortable when you can't really move your leg or your foot because it's just too painful. So as soon as something happens, and even if it's happened a long time ago, get going with this hold and make sure it's the opposite side for the most benefit. But of course, you can do both sides, okay? There's no restriction in that respect. And you can do it while walking, you can do it while standing, you can do it while sitting, you can do it while lying, while watching television, while watching me here on my YouTube channel. So if you'd like to practice Jin Shin Jyutsu regularly, I offer a weekly group practice session where we get together from all over the world and we practice different sequences every week. It's really good. It's really fun and very powerful and dynamic, and I love it. So if you're interested, there's a link below that you can go to get more information on that. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you look out for the next one. Bye for now.